Hello everyone, and today I have a grocery haul. This is an Aldi haul. This is the first time I've been to the grocery store in probably 2 weeks. I don't know, I think the last time I went to the grocery store was a few days before my parents came to town, which I'm thinking they were here on the 30th, and then I went out of town to Nashville, so I didn't want to buy any excess food. But tonight I went to Aldi because we were running low on just about everything, and Aldi's kind of like a hit and miss kind of store. Sometimes they have, sometimes they don't. But I did get enough stuff. We got plenty to eat on for the next, week or whatever. So. And I really wanted to go and get some specific items like orange juice. Ronnie and I came back from Nashville with some little colds. Don't worry, it's not COVID. We tested negative, so it's just head colds. I figure it was probably from being so hot and then getting into like a room with really, really cold air conditioning. And I think it messed us up, and the weather changed and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Aldi. So I got these hot chocolates. My mom comes. Sometimes I see these, sometimes I don't. But when I do, I always get them. Mom likes them. The hot chocolates that go in the Keurig machine. So I always make sure that my basket over here is full of these for her. And they're very inexpensive at Aldi. And they're really good. I like them. Every once in a while, I'll have one. But I really keep them on hand for her because she don't drink coffee. And the rest of us are coffee drinkers. I got myself some grapes. And we got some sliced American cheese, some pork chops, a roll of biscuits. This is their brand of like the Grand biscuits. Got some Greek yogurt, 2 things of pumpkin, because I'm going to make some pumpkin pies. I have been dying for a pumpkin pie. Family pack of ground beef, as well as a bag of steak fries. I have some other fries in my refrigerator, but I bought these because I don't see those too often when I go. I bought some sliced ham deli meat, a whole chicken, because I think I'm going to make a big thing of either chicken and dumplings, or I'm going to make some kind of soup because I'm just hungry for it. It just sounds so good. Got my honey some pizza rolls. Giant thing, another thing of biscuits, sour cream. I got some frozen berry medley. It's like all the berries all together because I need to start eating some greens and berries to get rid of this cold and get this out. I want it gone. Some stevia because I put this in my iced tea, and if you guys know me, I love my iced tea. Got the orange juice over here. I got some pre-made pie shells. I really like to buy these and have these on hand, especially this time of year, but I just grabbed a couple tonight, and they got home without getting broken, so that's good. You're hearing my baby coughing. We got some breaded fish sticks for Ronnie, some saltine crackers for soup, 2 things of the pretzels, a thing of the tortilla chips. I love this in these bags, and I like the strips instead of the chips. I think they're easier to eat salsa with. I'm gonna walk around here and see what we got. Salsa, 2 things of evaporated milk. Got a thing of the hot Italian sausages, a package of bacon, 2 things of vanilla extract because I was completely out and I just bought 2 because I do a lot of baking this time of year. 2 things of the mushroom spaghetti sauce. Always can use that. 2 boxes of the chewy fudge brownie mix. Another salsa. Some barbecue sauce. Some spray olive oil. 2 things of taco seasoning, just in case. I always pick up an extra when I go over there because they're so inexpensive. 2 boxes of taco shells. You can't have too much tacos.
Oh no.
2 things of my spinach that I'm going to put in my shakes this week. A thing of the original almond milk. Some mild cheddar. I needed a thing of sugar because technically I'm not out, but I put the last bag that I had in the container, so I wanted to go ahead and have one on hand for when I run out of that one. Ronnie wanted the blueberry shredded wheat. We got 2 of those, and I got the cocoa peanut butter puffs because I'm 2. This is their brand of Pringles. Got 2 cans of those. Got Ronnie 2 new boxes of the extra movie theater popcorn. We always make sure we have plenty of that for him. And 2 boxes of the au gratin scallop potatoes. And then 2 loaves of bread. This is my favorite bread. Love it. Can't wait to have soup and a sandwich with this. This would be so good. So good. And then I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes, and I don't know where they landed. There they are in front of the TV right there. Let me know, have you found anything new at Aldi that you like to enjoy? And you know what? If you are trying to save money on groceries, I find that going to Aldi's first really saves on my budget, because I can always find a lot of things a lot more inexpensive than other grocery stores, as well as making a meal plan for the week so that we are set, and always making sure that we buy extra so we don't run out of the things that are commonly used, like saltine crackers and you know, olive oil spray and barbecue sauce, salsa, things that you can keep on hand that won't go bad. So I always try to keep my pantry well stocked, and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Like I said before, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye bye, guys.